Guys, when we actually did this analysis on our gold, I told you guys that gold will definitely going to give us a bullish move, right? This is what gold did give us. For Monday, markets opened and closed bullish, right? Now, this is for Tuesday. We should be expecting markets also open and close bullish. So this is to tell you that to those of you that are yet to open on the buy, now is the best time for you to open for the buy. So if you are not yet in the buy, you still have the opportunity to go in for the buy. But if you are in the buy, it will be best you still hold your buy position because gold will still give us that bullish move. But first and first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. Now, make sure you subscribe so you will not miss out on any updates. Now, if you take a look at this gold, right, it is very clear that gold is on a bullish move. If you have to zoom it out, the overall movement is on an uptrend move. Now, but when you take a look at what market is doing right here, markets came to test this level where it bounced off. So this is a major rejection zone, right? Now, markets eventually came to tap this level again. And guess what markets did here? Markets eventually gave us a reversal pattern, which is a double bottom. Now that market has given us this double bottom, guess what market should be doing next? Markets will be pushing up to give us that bullish move. Now, first, we are trading above our 10-period simple moving average around this level. So market is above our 10-period simple moving average. Two, this is a double bottom, which indicates a reversal movement. And guess what market did? Market broke above our neckline. It broke above the double bottom neckline. So that is an indication that markets will continue the movement to the upside. So with such a movement, this year is just a pullback on gold. This is just a pullback. Now we should be expecting gold to push up and take out this high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what you should be expecting. Right now, from here, let's see market push out to take out this high. So if you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position till market is able to take out this high, you will be grabbing about 1,000 pips, about more than 1,000 pips, about 1,400 pips. So this is a potential 1,400 pips you are going to grab on your gold. So gold still have potential movement to the upside. So if you are not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. So once we drop new updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. And like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.